Sonification is making sound out of data. Sonification literally means soundification. And we do this to understand the data through listening. So we can listen to that data and discover patterns through listening. I prepared 3 examples for you. One is the heart rate or vitals monitoring in the operating room, so that the surgeons don't have to actually always look at a screen. They can, visually tend their attention to the surgical area, but they can still monitor the process, hear that the vitals are okay and the patient is not dying. Second is, the squeaky sounds that the metal detectors make on the airports or also in some of the museums, so that they just brush through in the air around you, and they can hear these squiggly sounds if you have anything metallic on you. And the third example is when, they make the little fetal heartbeat sounds via ultrasound. So pregnant women get an ultrasound of the fetus, and the ultrasound transmits the blood flow patterns, and that is turned into sound, so you can actually hear the little heartbeat of the fetus. My research is about image sonification, so sonifying data specifically found in images. And this can be something that we can't see in the images and we want to perceive it in a different way, or actually some hidden details that we actually cannot really see in the images, and then we are sonifying it so that we can see things and hear things, and together we can perceive what's going on. And actually the content, or like the actual images that I'm sonifying, come from biology research. So there are biology researchers that I'm working with whom are interested in a very specific biological phenomenon unfolding through time. So they are sending me these image lapses. They're making 10, 15 images taken over, let's say, 3-4 hours. And then we're looking at how we can sonify some of the data, some of the patterns that are in those images, to get a better understanding of that biological phenomenon. What I would be really happy to have when my research period ends is to give scientists, biology researchers, but also other scientists, anyone who works with image data, a tangible, helpful, reliable tool in their hands, something that is easy to access, easy to get started with, and then you can analyze anything that is image data with it and perceive image data with it. And then a secondary aim, since I'm also a musician, is to give this instrument as a musical instrument to anyone who works with sound. So you could think of image sonification as a specific way of sound design. So it could hopefully be useful for creatives as well. Obviously, AI, or as we call it, machine learning, has a great impact on our field, and really any field that deals with a lot of data, because that's what machine learning is really good at, understanding, interpreting, finding patterns in data, or mapping, relationships between one domain to another domain. And what I'm really interested in terms of the potential of machine learning for my field, for sonification and image sonification, is to use small-scale models that can run on your laptop or maybe even on your phone, and teach them to map relationships of images, or maybe high-level features found in images, to relationships between sounds, but in a way that is aligned to our perception, so aligned to how we hear similarities and differences between sounds. You can find one very concrete outcome of my research, image sonification toolbox. called Pixasonics, kind of a wordplay on Pixel and Sonic. You can find this Python toolbox already on the Python package index, and we will put a link in the video description as well. So what you can do with this, if you are a Python user, and many scientists are already using Python, maybe especially for image analysis and other scientific computing tasks. So the aim with Pixasonics is it just integrates right into your workflow, and you can customize it in any way you want. It's kind of very easy to start it up, and then as you are getting a power user, then you can customize it even further. So it's really for Python users who want to try real-time reactive image sonification.